What is a paradigm? You have heard of paradigm shift? You've heard the word paradigm?
No, sir.
Okay. So hear it now. The word is paradigm. It's pronounced paradigm. All right. You pronounce it as paradigm.
Paradigm.
Paradigm. So paradigms, my dear friends, are nothing else but mental maps that we have. Paradigms are our reality. They may not be the reality, but they are our reality. You understand? So that's a paradigm. And paradigms can be very difficult to change. How many people like to eat dahi in the night during winter?
So, dry, not ice cream.
Ice cream I love too, but dahi
Not
also I love.
not so specifically
Yes, sir.
dahi, but with paratha. Yeah.
With paratha, maybe yes. But otherwise, see, a lot of people have these paradigms that anything that is cold or dahi is something which is going to harm me if I have it at night, especially during the winter season. Now, about food, you will have your paradigms. About religion, you'll have your realities. About other things, also, in life, you'll have your beliefs, you'll have your systems, you'll have your paradigms. Now, these paradigms become very difficult to break. One of the paradigms that we had, which has just been broken in the past 5 months, is to work, you have to go to office. Was that the paradigm or not?
Yes, sir.
Everywhere in the world, you go to work. Now, what's happened in the past 5 months? So, there's been
They're
a
working from everyone is working from
friends,
home,
that
sir.
is called a paradigm shift. The paradigm has shifted. The meaning of work has changed in the past 5 months for the whole world. This is paradigm. This is shift in paradigm. This is a live example of how paradigms shift. Movie release. Movie release 5 months ago used to be an exciting day. That this movie is releasing on that day. I've already taken my mobile phone and I have booked my ticket for the first day and I'm going for the 12 o'clock show. You remember that excitement?
Yes, sir.
Now, what happened? Last week itself, there were three new releases on
So,
OTT platforms. One on Prime, another on Netflix, a third one on Hotstar.
Hotstar.
Movies are now, so there's a paradigm shift. You
Yes.
understand? There's a paradigm shift in birthdays. There's a paradigm shift in how we celebrate anniversaries. There's a
Yes.
paradigm shift in how we meet and greet.
Yes, sir.
You feel so bad not shaking hands with your friend. You feel so bad not going and embracing your friend now when they come.
So can
And
we
you have to
say
stop
that this?
yourself. You have to stop
So
yourself. That's paradigm change. That's how paradigms changed. Education, the paradigm was you need to go to a college, be in a physical classroom for learning to happen. Now, learning can happen in a virtual classroom, you sitting in your home, me sitting in my home, learning still happening, and no less. So, see, this is what paradigms can be, huge barriers to understanding.